All right, today we have Jody with us on Action RC. Jody, tell us about your plane.
This is a 1917 Sopwith Camel from World War I. The kit was given to me by a member of ours from across the pond named Ralph, and I put it together. The kit came with all of its parts, but all pictures, very few words to help me out, and it took me a little bit longer because of that. Other than that, it's a regular built balsa wood type aircraft, and I'm very proud of how it turned out to be.
And today you're going to maiden it?
Yes, sir. Today is the first day that it's going to catch air.
And what type of engine do you have in it?
I have a reclaimed engine out of 1700 P51. I believe it's a 970 kV motor. It has a receiver out of an apprentice airplane to help out with flying characteristics.
What size battery are you flying in it?
I'm running a 3200 4-cell battery in it.
And your receiver?
The receiver is the standard DXI that came with the apprentice airplane.
And your transmitter, you're going to fly with it?
That's a, well, we must have got them reversed. The transmitter and the receiver are both out of crashed apprentice airplane.
Are those the regular wheels that came with it, or are they modified?
No, that's the set of wheels that came with the kit. I tried to find other wheels, but was unsuccessful. I'm going to paint the treads black later on, and hopefully that'll make it look a little bit better.
How many hours do you have in this build?
Oh, I can't calculate that, but I know I've been working on it for about 2 months and approximately 4 hours a day.
And tell us about this paint.
Well, it's not a paint, it's a stretch fabric that's on it, both top and bottom. I did research to make sure that I got the color scheme correct to the 1917 Sopwith Camel. Very expensive material, but it was well worth it. It's more of a fabric than it is a monocoat type material.
All right, well, we'll get back with you after the flight today.
Very good.
Baby, baby, I'm gonna leave you. I said, baby, you know I'm gonna leave you.
All right, Jody, what are you thinking?
I've had the best pilot out here that we have. He flew my first biplane. Had me do some adjustments on it, and this is the Sopwith Camel, and he's going to test fly it, and I totally trust this gentleman, one of the best pilots we have out here.
All right, Jerry, what's going through your head?
A lot going through my head right now. The unknown, what's going to happen. So, you know, I'm going to try to get this thing up and see what it's going to do. You know, it's got this one does have fail-safe in it, so you know, I'm going to see what it's going to do. So everything, controls look good, everything looks good. So balance looks okay. So all I do is just push the throttle and.
All right, here we go.
Got it. I cut the throttle.
It doesn't have enough power. I'm gonna put a bigger motor in.
Let's hit it. Hell yeah, look at that.
That's why I don't like the gyro.
Did you shut up? Did you shut off or did it shut off?
It shut off. It shut off.
Nose up, nose up,
I
nose
can't do
up.
anything. I can't do anything. I could not do nothing.
No, that's fine, that's fine.
I lost everything.
Yeah, I don't think they'll be flying it a third time tonight.
No. I wanted to get a static picture of it before.
I handled that battery that would pull out now.
Why is that?
It pulled out of here.